When installing a 200 amp electrical service, several key specifications for wiring and grounding must be adhered to. Let's begin with service wiring. It's imperative to use 200 amp service wiring. The ampacity of the service wiring must match the rating of the main electrical panel, which in your case is 200 amps. For 200 amp service, use number 2 AWG American wire gauge copper or aluminum conductors. For grounding, 2 5-foot galvanized ground rods are generally sufficient for 200 amp service in most soil conditions. However, in areas with poor soil conductivity or high electrical resistance, additional ground rods may be required. Solid copper ground rods are more conductive than galvanized ground rods and are recommended in areas with high soil resistivity or where lightning protection is a concern. However, galvanized ground rods are typically more affordable and suitable for most residential applications. When it comes to connection, the service wiring, both neutral and ground, should be connected to the main electrical panel. The grounding system should be connected to the grounding busbar in the main electrical panel. The ground rod should be interconnected with the number 6 AWG solid copper grounding conductor. Here are a few important notes to keep in mind. Firstly, always consult with a qualified electrician for specific installation requirements based on your local building codes and site conditions. Secondly, the distance from the ground rods to the electrical panel should be minimized to reduce voltage drop. Thirdly, the grounding conductor should be protected from mechanical damage and corrosion. Finally, periodically check the grounding system to ensure proper connections and resistance to earth.